Dooney's Handbags here. Today, guys, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be sharing my entire green handbag collection, and this will be in support of liver cancer awareness. Now, my girl here on YouTube, Bags of Love, created the hashtag Green for Kate in support of liver cancer awareness, which is in the month of October, and I wanted to come on and share my entire green handbag collection with you guys. So if you want to see that, then please make sure to go ahead and stay tuned. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so because it is absolutely free to you. It also helps my channel to grow, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy my content. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I truly appreciate all of you guys' love and support. Alright guys, so I have a good bit of green handbags down here in front of me, so we are going to get straight into it. I do want to say really quickly, if you guys are going to be sharing any of your green handbags, accessories, shoes, whatever, clothing, please make sure to hashtag it Green for Kate so she can post it on her community post and share it with everybody else here on YouTube. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to start off with the bags that the brands that I only have one green handbag of. And the first one is going to be this cutie. This is my Anne Klein crossbody, and yes, it is a bag. It does have the D-rings on both sides for the crossbody. I did take it off because I usually carry these in my bag as a catch-all, but they are a crossbody bag from Anne Klein, and it is in the color emerald green. Next on the list, bag number 2 is going to be from Guess. This is my Guess tote bag. You guys have probably seen this a few times here on my channel. Absolutely love this silhouette when it comes to tote bags. Really cute. This bag does not have any feet. It does have gold hardware, and the color of this one is called olive. So it is in the color olive, and it is my Guess tote bag. Alright guys, so moving along, bag number 3 is from Marc Jacobs, camel one in the color green, and I absolutely love this bag. It is so gorgeous, and I am so glad to have this beautiful bag in my collection. Alright guys, so let's move on to the next brand, which is going to be Michael Kors, and I do have a few from Michael Kors. So I'm going to start off with the smallest one that I have. Now this is considered a pochette, and it's a convertible one, so you can use this as a catch-all, or you can use this as a cute little shoulder bag. Like so. It does come with gold hardware, and this one is in the color safari green, and this is so cute, y'all. I absolutely love this. Really cute, and I think this is one of Mono's Beauty's favorite from Michael Kors right now, and I see why. So bag number 5, guys, is another Michael Kors, and I have not worn this one yet either. This is my Tribeca, and it is in the color pear. This color is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. This is in the large size with silver hardware, and I love the chain and the leather shoulder crossbody strap on here as well too. Really pretty. Alright, so next is bag number 6, and this is another Michael Kors crossbody bag, and this one is in the color jungle green, and it is the medium pocket crossbody with attachment, and the attachments was the the coin case and the Apple AirPods case as well too. And this is in that beautiful jungle green. I love this color, y'all. It is so gorgeous. All right, guys, so moving along to bag number 7. This is my small Morella tote in the color jungle green ombre. Y'all, I love this bag. I've already had a chance to wear it, and it is such a great carry. Great for weekend, running errands, shopping. Like, this is definitely a cutie. It does come with the D-rings on either side of the bag so that you can wear it as a crossbody if you want to as well. Really, really cute. Bag number 8 is going to be my Michael Kors Hamilton in the jungle green. Y'all, the Hamilton is probably one of my favorites from Michael Kors, and when they came out with this jungle green, your girl had to pick it up. It does have the silver hardware, 4 feet on the bottom, and I just love that beautiful lock detailing on the front. Just really elevates this bag, y'all. All right, so my last bag from Michael Kors, which is bag number 9, is my most recent purchase, which is the large Nolita shoulder bag in the nubuck leather in the color safari green. You guys just recently saw me do a switch on Sunday video on this. If you hadn't watched it yet, I will try to make sure to leave it linked down below so you can check it out, as well as the unboxing. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Comes with gold hardware. I love the buckle detailing on the shoulder strap for this as well too. Just absolutely gorgeous bag, y'all. All right, guys, so bag number 10 is actually a backpack, but I did want to share it, and this is my Juicy Couture backpack, and it is in the color green. So they're just calling it green, and it's the word search. And this backpack is so cute. I love this really soft mint green like color on here with the black. Really, really pretty. I have used this bag so many times when we went out of town. I absolutely love this backpack. All right, guys, so moving along to my last brand, which is my favorite, which is Dooney Bourke. So starting off with my smallest one from Dooney Bourke, this is going to be bag number 11, the flap crossbody, and it is in one of my favorite colors from Dooney Bourke, which is Kelly Green. This bag does come with the gold hardware, and then it does have the leather trim going around the bag. This is in their nylon, from their nylon collection. So I absolutely love this bag. Alright, guys, so bag number 12 is going to be my Dooney Bourke Olivia satchel in the color Seafoam. Y'all, this bag is gorgeous. It is in the chevron print. It does come with 4 feet. It has gold hardware on it. It does come with a crossbody. You can wear a top handle as well too. And this color is so pretty in person. This seafoam is very close in color to the Dooney Bourke Spearmint as well, y'all. So, and I have paired some of my spearmint pieces with this bag as well too, and it complements it very well. It is an absolutely gorgeous barrel style bag. I love the Olivia satchel. Such a gorgeous bag from Dooney Bourke. Alright, guys, so moving along to bag number 13. This is my Dooney Bourke large pebble green satchel in the color Spearmint. This bag does have gold hardware. This is one of my favorite silhouettes from Dooney Bourke when it comes to their satchels. It has the beautiful tassels on both sides of the bag. It has that beautiful buckle detailing on the front as well. You get 4 feet on the bottom of this bag as well, guys, and it can be worn as a top handle, a crossbody, or a short shoulder. One of my favorite things about this style silhouette from Dooney Bourke when it comes to their satchels is the smile on this bag. It is iconic. I absolutely love it, and I feel like everybody should have at least one of the Dooney Bourke satchels like this in their collection. Bag number 14 is my Big Mama. This is my Dooney Bourke Bailey from the Greta collection in the color Ivy. This Ivy color is so beautiful, y'all. And I definitely have to get some more bags in this ivy color because it is absolutely gorgeous. The Bailey tote in itself is a gorgeous tote bag. I will say, if you wasn't able to get your hands on a Bailey, if Dooney & Bourke brings this back in 2026, definitely pick up one. If you only get one, just get one, because this is one of those tote bags that it can be a work bag, an everyday, a travel bag, and a weekend bag. Like, it's an all-in-one. So it's definitely one of those bags that would be great to have in your collection. All right, guys, so I have 3 more bags to share with you from Dooney & Bourke. Now, bag number 15 is this cutie, which is my Tasha drawstring in this beautiful jade color, y'all. When I saw this color pop up on the site in Tasha, which is my favorite silhouette as far as drawstring goes from Dooney & Bourke, I had to pick it up, y'all. I wanted a jade bag in my collection from Dooney & Bourke forever, mainly in a Florentine satchel, but I was like, when I saw it in my favorite silhouette as far as drawstrings, I had to pick it up, y'all. I just had to. And this is from the Wexford collection. As far as the leather goes, so soft, so supple. I absolutely love it. It has 4 feet on the bottom. All the hardware is gold on this particular bag. It has the drawstring tassels, and if you got a Tasha, then you already know this is a nice large drawstring. Definitely holds all of your everyday essentials, and this Wexford leather is so lightweight, y'all. Like, I absolutely love it. I have 3 total from that collection in my handbag collection. All right, guys, so bag number 16 is this beautiful bag, and you guys will probably have just recently seen the unboxing for this beautiful bag, and it is none other than my Dooney & Bourke large drawstring from the Luca collection, y'all. Kelly green color with the gold hardware. This bag does not have any feet on the bottom. It does have the drawstring here. I love the nice thick shoulder strap on here that is adjustable and removable. And I also love the lining in this bag, y'all. That is one of my favorite linings from Dooney & Bourke. This bag does come with a large front slip pocket here on the front wall, and then of course on the back you do get your zip and slip as well too. This is a very beautiful lightweight pebbled bag, and I really think that if you don't have anything from the Luca collection, you guys should really check it out, because I could definitely see me picking up a few other silhouettes from the Luca collection, because this leather is just so soft and lightweight, and it just feels so good, y'all. All right, guys, so we are down to bag number 17, which is my last green handbag from Dooney & Bourke, and it is none other than this beautiful ivy suede barrel satchel, y'all. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. This is another one of my most recent purchases from Dooney & Bourke. Now, you guys probably have already seen the unboxing for this beautiful bag as well too, and this is my very first suede bag from Dooney & Bourke, so I am excited to have this in my collection. I cannot wait to move into this beautiful bag during the Christmas holiday. Like, this definitely screams Christmas. It screams Thanksgiving. It just screams holiday, and I absolutely love it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous barrel satchel. It has 4 feet, gold hardware. It's a top handle carry as well as a crossbody carry. I love how the zipper goes down on both sides. It gives for a nice large opening on this bag as well too. That way you can definitely reach inside of this bag, grab out your essentials without scratching up your hands on the zipper as well too. Very beautiful, beautiful suede bag from Dooney Bourke. All right guys, so that was all of my green handbags in my collection. And this video is in support of liver cancer awareness, and I will be hashtagging it green for Kate for Bags of Love, who started the hashtag in support of liver cancer awareness. If you guys are going to be sharing your green handbag collection or just wearing your green bags or accessories and sharing it in your videos, don't forget to hashtag it green for Kate for Bags of Love to show your support for liver cancer awareness. And if you guys have stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not already, because it's absolutely free to you guys and it definitely helps my channel to grow. Make sure to leave a nice comment down below. Let me know if you have any green handbags in your collection, and also let me know if any of the green bags that I shared today that we're bag twinning on. Let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to share this video and click the bell, guys, that way you're always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.